Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I am going to do a Kiehls haul. So if you guys have watched my product empties, then I showed you two of my favorite products that I completely used up, and I decided to go and repurchase them because I was in the area and I thought I should just walk in and go get the two things, but I walked out of two bags because I have no self-control. Yeah, so I was showing you guys everything on my Insta story, and I did a poll asking if you guys would want to watch a haul, and a lot of you said yes. I think it was like 87% yes, and a lot of you have been also leaving comments saying that you were super excited to see everything I picked up. So here it is. Let's get started. So the first thing that I picked up is the Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash. I absolutely love this, and this is my second bottle of it, and I really like this. This is for normal to oily skin type. It deeply cleanses without stripping off too much. It does not really foam up as much, but it's very cleansing. Then I got the Calendula Herbal Extract Toner, one of my favorite alcohol-free toners. Really difficult to find a good toner that's alcohol-free, and this one really does the job well. Plus, I was recommended a certain routine because once I walked in, they kind of gave me like a skin consultation, which I thought was pretty helpful, and I also told them what my skin concerns were, which is why I think I ended up picking up quite a lot of product because they were checking my skin out. She put in two papers here and here to kind of check what kind of skin I have, and she found out that I have like a very oily T-zone and normal skin in the rest of my face. So it was like a combination skin that's prone to acne, but the acne is not there, not as prevalent like it used to be. And I told her my main skin concerns were hydration and improving the texture of my skin. The next thing is this Hydro-Plumping Re-Texturizing Serum Concentrate. Let me just show you the product and I'll tell you why I was sold. So she just poured out a little bit of the product. That's how it looks like. It's super duper smooth and lightweight. The texture is so lightweight, and can you see it already made a difference on my skin? Yeah, so I was basically sold. So I got this. You use this as a serum. If you want, I will do like a separate video on the skincare routine that I'm going to follow, and I think I'm going to do this pretty religiously and try out the products and see if they really work. Then she also recommended that I use a sunscreen. So this is the Ultralight Daily UV Defense Sunscreen. So she suggested I use this as a moisturizer after I use this, after the Hydro-Plumping Re-Texturizing Serum. This is SPF 50 PA+++. Then I have the Nightly Refining Micro Peel Concentrate. Now this is another one of the products that I was very excited about. Comes in a bottle like this, and it also has a dropper. Again, a product that'll help in like improving the texture of my skin. This is made with a quinoa husk extract. This is something that I need to use in the night as a serum. And what it does is that it gently exfoliates and renews your skin cells. So I'm looking forward to trying that as well. The next one is actually one of Kiehl's cult products, and I think this is their like #1 selling product. This is their Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution. I've heard such good things about it. I never owned this, so I thought I should get this as well since I'm splurging anyway. So just picked up everything. I hardly get to go there often. This is again a clear serum like this. Comes in this sort of packaging with the dropper in it. So yeah, I am very excited to try this. It really helps in correcting any sort of hyperpigmentation and dark spots on your skin. The next thing I got is a face mask. This is their Calendula and Aloe Soothing Hydration Mask because I told her that one of my main concerns about my skin was hydration. She recommended that I try this because it's a very soothing jelly. It also works great for anybody who has sensitive skin to like really soothe and calm down your skin. As you can tell, I've got a new breakout here, and I have like a couple of them over here, and they get like really itchy, and once I do like spot treatment, the area gets like a little dry. The next thing that I got recommended was this Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. Like the name suggests, this is exactly what I need too, because I have like a lot of open pores, and these are the two kind of face masks that I use in general anyway. Like I use clay masks and I use hydrating masks, so it goes well with my cleansing and calming routine. If you guys have watched my previous skincare video, then you know what I'm talking about. So this face mask is for when I want to really clean my skin. This is the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. This is my second bottle of it. I've already finished one, and actually no, I was halfway through it and I cannot find that anymore. I think I must have misplaced it, and I really like this, so I got another one. And of course, this is what I had originally gone to pick up. This is the Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream, which I absolutely love, so I just restocked on that. I think the next bag is mostly filled with body care stuff, like skincare and body care. I really like their shampoo. I'm currently using one of their shampoos. I think I remember showing it in one of my favorites videos. The first thing is a shampoo. This is their damage repairing and rehydrating shampoo with moringa tree oil and hydrating hyaluronic acid. It's sulfate free, silicone free, and paraben free. It's for damaged, very dry hair, and my hair is pretty damaged at the ends right now, and I think I also got like the conditioner that comes along with it. This is the damage repairing and rehydrating conditioner. Haven't tried these two before, so I'm excited to try this. The next thing I got is the Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil. I've heard really good things about this, and I love cleansing oils. I'm currently using a balm from Botanical, and it's almost over, and I'm done with my green tea oil from Ministry as well. So I needed a new oil anyway, and I actually like have tried this at Ankita's place, and I really liked it. So I thought I need one for myself because I wear a lot of makeup on like a daily basis, and cleaning your makeup effectively is very important, and you should do that. The next thing I got is again something that I've used in the past. This is from their Creme de Corps range, which is for extremely dry skin, which I do have on the rest of my body. So this is basically like a body scrub. It has like very gritty granules in it, and it's made with loofah fruit and jojoba butter. It's got this gritty scrub to it, really helps in exfoliating. I loved using this after I shaved my legs. Like my legs used to feel amazing. Then I only have like a couple of things left. I got a body lotion that I haven't tried before. This is the Superbly Restorative Argan Body Lotion. So it's made up with like argan oil, again meant for someone who has like really dry skin on their body. And I got a body cleanser. I don't think I have tried a body cleanser from Kiehls before. This is the Vetiver and Black Tea Skin Softening Body Cleanser. I really like the smell of this. As soon as she made me try this, I absolutely fell in love with the fragrance, and I really love stuff that smells fresh and awakening in the morning. I just love taking a shower with things that smell fresh, and yet it's not too stripping for my body. So I'm excited to try that as well. And this is the last thing that I got. This is the Kiehl's Magic Elixir Hair Restructuring Concentrate with rosemary leaf and avocado hair oil. It's meant for all hair types, and this is basically an oil that you apply on your scalp. You keep it on for some time and then you wash it off. I have been facing quite a bit of hair fall due to breakage. Past few months I've lost white a lot of my hair, and it's actually a little concerning. So I thought, let me just get something nourishing for the scalp. So yeah, that's it for this haul. That's everything that I got from Kiehls. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what's your favorite Kiehls products in the comments down below, and I'd love to talk to you guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.